This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and disabling linked services so the machine can be wiped clean. Once backed up, sign out of iCloud, iMessage, and turn off Find My to avoid activation lock. Make sure the MacBook is plugged into power and on a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, and have your Apple ID credentials ready. For Apple Silicon, hold the power button to enter recovery. For Intel, restart and hold Command-R. Now you're in recovery and ready to erase. You now remove the existing system correctly so a clean Mac OS can be installed. In Recovery Open Disk Utility, choose View Right arrow Show All Devices and select the internal physical drive, not just a volume. Once selected, click Erase. Pick apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended, journaled for very old systems, and set GUID partition map. Confirm the erase operation. That deletes everything and creates a fresh container. When it finishes, quit Disk Utility so recovery can proceed to reinstall Mac OS. You complete the factory reset by reinstalling Mac OS from recovery so the Mac boots like new. Choose Reinstall Mac OS and follow prompts. The installer will download the correct version and automatically install to the freshly erased drive. Once installation finishes, the Mac restarts to Setup Assistant, either complete setup for personal use or shut down to leave it at the welcome screen for a new owner. If recovery won't load or the download fails, use Internet Recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.